Hello everybody. Tonight I just wanted to talk to you about some medication I gotta take. Yesterday I went to the doctor and I take so much morphine and oxycodone already that they can't increase it or don't want to increase it. So I got another option and I'm kind of nervous about it. This is FENTANYL, and it'll be the very first time I've ever taken it. And let's open it real quick. I haven't even seen it yet. They're patches. And yeah, oh, they're little. But they're 37.5, what is that? 37.5 mcg an hour. I have no idea what that means. But if anybody knows what that means, let me know. But I'll be putting that patch on tomorrow night. I gotta go 24 hours without taking any morphine to be able to take that, and then I'll get to take that, and y'all see it on camera, because you got to put it on a very specific part of your body, or you know, it's got to be in a very particular place, so it's not too close to your heart, I think is what it is. But anyway, they gave me they gave me this. Let's see if we can get that to focus. They gave me this to save my life in case I overdose, because it's a patch and I can't control how much I take. So it literally will just do what it does to me. But we'll get to see that tomorrow, because it's supposed to take like 4 to 7 seconds before it starts affecting you. So that'll be interesting. I hope it works out really nice. The reason I'm taking so much pain medication is I have avascular necrosis and osteonecrosis in both shoulders, and the bones are literally falling apart, and I have big chunks of bone hanging out in there, but most of the nerves are still alive. So every time I move wrong or bump it, it feels like I'm setting a bone. And if you've ever had a bone set, that is very horrible. I shattered my knee a few years back, and they gave me one little 5 milligram oxycodone and then set my leg because they didn't know it was shattered in a dozen pieces. And that was one of the most painful things I've ever went through. But this is the most painful thing I think I've ever gone through. So I'll be taking that, and I take these for nausea. So, and those aren't too bad. They're okay. They're not the best medication for nausea, but this is all an adventure. Kind of worried about the fentanyl. I've looked it up and cannot find any real good information about it. Nothing that's really positive at all, besides what it was intended for. So, and that was actually for surgery and anesthesia. So that's interesting. But thank you guys for watching and listening to me ramble about this. And if you have any information, if you've ever taken it, let me know. I would like to really know what it's like to take it, because I'm very nervous, and tomorrow we're going to find out tomorrow. And like I said, I'll be affected by it probably before I can even turn the camera off. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. So y'all will get to watch me put it on, or have it put on me, because I think it's going on my back. And then you'll see it affect me. So that'll be fun to watch, maybe. But I even got instructions on how to save my life. So there's a whole booklet here of it. So that's interesting. Like, it's all folded in half. But y'all don't need to see all that. But that's it for today. I got 4 weeks until my surgery, a little over 4 weeks. And then I'm gonna have this shoulder replaced, and after it's healed and I'm out of the sling and I can use it, I'll be getting this shoulder replaced. So that's why I'm off work for the next 6.5 months or so, or 6 months, 6.5 months. Not sure, depends on how fast I recover. But that's why I'm on this pain medication, because it's taken so long to get to surgery. I've been dealing with this literally since the day I started the worm farm, is the day, or when I started moving everything around in the shop to turn it into a worm farm. I noticed a twinge in my shoulder and it just kind of hurt, and it progressed from there. But so now I am where I am, and that's, you know, 7 months later. So they're pretty broken up. I can still move around quite a bit because I am on quite a bit of pain meds. When I'm not taking them, I can't hardly move. But I got a lot of work to do, so that's gonna be fun. So we'll see how it goes. It's been going pretty good on the oxycodone and morphine. Honestly, they don't really affect my head. They don't do anything more than like a really strong aspirin, or like an ibuprofen is about the only effect I have off of them. And I don't know if that's just the level of pain I'm in, so I don't notice anything else. But most people say I'm crazy, but they don't affect me. I work almost 20 hours a day. I only sleep about 4. So, you know, it hasn't slowed me down, so we'll see if the fentanyl slows me down. But please like and subscribe, and stay tuned to see what happens, and hit the bell for notifications.